Everyone desires result, but few discuss what truly contributes to them. It's not solely about the repetitions or the protein intake. It's about the time your body dedicates to rebuilding, repair, and growing while others are asleep. Growth hormone levels are highest at night. Muscles recover in the darkness, and your nervous system rejuvenates while you rest. You cannot compensate for inadequate sleep with intense workout or supplements. The effort does not cease when you go to bed. It transitions into its most effective stage. Safeguard your sleep or wisely as you do your training, because rest is not just a luxury, it's a powerful tool. So the name of this bodybuilder is Mr. Retro.